I found out the one ICT strategy that can guarantee you pass every single funded account that you have right now. This has over a 92% win rate. And if you're not using this right now, I'm sorry, but you're going to start missing out, because you can make consistent profits like a lot of my students have been doing. And I'm going to be showing you exactly how to use this strategy. So what you're going to be starting by is you're going to only be trading within the 8:30 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. London kill zone. This time we're actually going to dominate the markets with this strategy, okay? So the first thing we're going to do is actually wait for the next candle after 8:30 to tap into a PDRA or take out liquidity. So what we're going to do is mark out the highs of this candle and the lows. This is the 8:30 candle, okay? You can see right here, if I just put my vertical line, it's 8:30 right there, okay? So what we're going to be doing is on a 15-minute time frame, waiting for price to actually take out the highs or the lows. So I'm going to be doing just plain price forward, forward again, forward again. And there you go. It just took out the lows right here. So price has just swept the lows, liquidity. So what we're going to be doing is taking the trade towards the upside now, because the trade actually took it towards the downside. So what we're going to be doing is wait for price to actually show an engulfing, bullish engulfing candlestick. Okay, so that's what we're going to be looking for, and we're going to be doing this on the 5-minute time frame. So we're going to switch to the 5-minute time frame really quickly. You can see right here it's much more in detail. So what we're going to actually be waiting for is a bullish engulfing candlestick from now. Okay, play price forward, forward again. You can see we just got a very bullish engulfing candlestick. And actually what we need to do now is, once that has formed, all we need to look for is a fair value gap with a clear market structure shift. And if you can ask me, oh, where's the market structure shift? Right here, you can see a clear market structure shift right there. Okay, so you can see price right here actually just swept, and you can see the candle before it and the candle after it did not actually go above this candle, which makes this the most recent high. All right, so this is actually our market structure shift. I'm going to be just marking it right here. And all we're going to be doing now, after we found out the market structure shift, is finding out the fair value gap. So if I play price forward again, you can see there's another big candle right here, and we've actually just got a fair value gap. So I'm going to be marking this place out, and all we're going to be doing is entering off of this on the 5-minute time frame. We're going to be making lots and lots of profits. So I'm going to be putting this as a 1-to-3 risk to reward ratio, putting my stop loss just below this candle right here, and putting my take profit at the 1-to-3 risk to reward ratio. Okay, anywhere between 2.5 and 3 is all right. Okay, so once we actually got this, all we've got to do is play price forward, and you're gonna see how it runs up. It's just entered right here. You can see right here it just entered, and the price is actually gonna run up all the way to hit take profit. You can see right there, just smash take profit in such a good linear fashion. Okay, if you want to actually learn the strategy yourself, I have a full PDF file that's gonna be linked right in the description. Okay, make sure you actually go check this out, because lots of my students that have been struggling actually, you know, gave me testimonials and good messages about this strategy and about this PDF file, because it works so well, and it's going to be completely free. It's going to be the first link in the description. All you have to do is join the Telegram, and you will actually get access to it straight away. Okay, I'm going to be showing you a different example, but right before that, if you want to learn actually better strategy and you're willing to invest only $50 of what you earn into my Forex family right here, which is a one-time payment and it's full guarantee, I will teach you exactly how to become profitable and pass all of your funded accounts. Okay, I'll make you achieve your goal, and if you stop being lazy and join today, you actually become profitable only within a few months. Okay, so if you join today and save everything that you're going to actually be losing, you get access to my Discord, a secret trading strategy which I personally teach, also a full course and a weekly course. Okay, but enough of that, I don't want to bore you too much. Let's go to the next example. Now on this example, I'm going to be running the exact same move, but I removed the text that was here so I can actually know if you're actually understanding this, and for you to even test yourself to know if you actually understand this or not. Okay, so I'm going to be running it again. All we need to do is mark out the highs of this 8:30 candle and the lows of it right here, and we play price forward. We wait for it to go. We need to wait to see which side actually gets swept. We can see the highs have just been swept right here, so we can remove the lows marker right here. Okay, so the highs have been swept. We can, straight away we move to the 5-minute time frame, and now what we're looking for is a bearish engulfing candlestick. Okay, so if I play price forward, we're just gonna be waiting for a bearish engulfing candlestick. You're just waiting, and there we go. We just completely got a big bearish engulfing candlestick, and actually this one marks out a market structure shift, which is actually perfect setup for us. So once price actually does this with the market structure shift, this is all we need, the confirmation that we need. And now we just play price forward one more time. You can see also there's lots and lots of resistance right here, which means that we can actually use the whole area right here as our fair value gap. Okay, once there's lots of resistance, you can use the whole area as the fair value gap, so you do not actually miss the move. Okay, so all you need to do now is actually put in a short position right here, placing your stop loss just above this level of liquidity, and placing your take profit at a 1 to 2.5 risk reward ratio. Okay, or you can lower the risk and you can higher the take profit, but it doesn't matter. So now all I need to do is play price forward. You can see just entered and it's completely smashed TP. Okay, it just entered off of this one candle right here and it's completely smashed take profit. And if you see, if I didn't actually identify this resistance area, I wouldn't have been able to enter this trade because I wouldn't have highlighted the whole area other than the wicks. Okay, so if I actually didn't know about this, I would have only highlighted up to the wicks right here, like any normal person would do. Obviously, all of this is in my PDF breakdown right here, so you can get access to it. First link in the description. It's completely free, by the way. So yeah, if I didn't actually mark out the whole area, I would have just, you know, missed the trade like any other normal person. But we're not normal people here. I actually teach you strategies that actually work and will make you profitable. I'm going to be showing you one more example, but this one is going to be the most complex one throughout everything that I've actually shown today. So make sure you watch very, very carefully for this one, okay? So I've thought about actually showing you another example, but if I keep showing you examples, I know you won't get it and you won't understand. So I'm going to teach you the actual fundamental way that you actually use this strategy, okay? So let's just think that this is price, okay? So it's let it do whatever it wants. It's going to go high, it's going to go low, whatever it wants. But once it hits our trading time, which is going to be 8:30 o'clock, okay, AM, London time. Once it hits our trading time, this is when we need to actually lock in and find out the highs and the lows of the most recent candle, okay? So we have the highs, lows right here, sorry, and we have the highs of the candle right here, okay? So we wait for the next candle to actually sweep up, you know, any side it wants, okay? So if it wants to sweep up the lows, just mark it out. Let's say this is a candle, and then another candle actually happened and it swept the lows right here. This would be the candle that we would start going bullish engulfing in. Okay, so now all we need to find is a bullish engulfing candlestick for this. So once we actually find a bullish engulfing candlestick, which will look something like this, let me just draw it for you guys. It will look something like this. Once you find a bullish engulfing candlestick, you actually, all you have to do is mark out the market structure shift right here, which would be anywhere here. That's the market structure shift. Let me just mark it out for you. And all you got to do is mark out the fair value gap as well when you're here at it. So this fair value gap would be somewhere around here. And all you got to do is just enter off the FVG. And once you enter off the FVG on a long position, let's say 1 to 3 risk reward ratio, and you're around here, this is 1 to 3. Once you actually enter a 1 to 3 risk reward ratio, price will do usually. This is 92% of the time. This is why it has a 92% win rate. Price will go back down, and it will actually tap into the area, then reverse and go all the way back up, smashing your TP. Okay, this is on a fundamental level. This all of this would happen on a 5-minute time frame after we've actually figured out what's happened between here. After this point, I'd say after this candle onwards would be 5-minute time frame. But anything before this candle would be 15-minute time frame. I hope you guys actually got this strategy, and if you don't, make sure you rewatch the video or comment anything that you did not understand, because I will actually reply to you straight away in under 24 hours, okay? Make sure you actually do check out my free strategy. All you have to do, you click the first link in the description, join my Telegram, and it will automatically send you a message. I will actually send you a personal message of, you know, my strategy and everything, I promise. And if you actually are taking trading serious and you're willing to invest in yourself, only $50, and I'm going to be increasing this soon to $100 literally tomorrow. Make sure you get this as soon as possible, okay? If you actually invest this $50, you can get so much perks, okay? But anyway, that's going to be the end of the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.